Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Welcome to KMJ and congratulations. I'm Madam Kenanga, your biology lecturer. So for this semester, you will learn biology SB015 and it consists of 10 chapters. So for today, we will learn chapter 1, Molecules of Life. In this chapter, it will cover 5 subtopics. There are water, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. In this chapter, students must be able to state the structure and properties of water molecule. Students also must be able to relate the properties of water and its importance. The structure of water molecule consists of 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. They are joined together by sharing electrons. Hydrogen atom and oxygen atom are joined together by covalent bond. From the diagram, the straight line represents the covalent bond. The 3 atoms are arranged to form triangle with 104.5 degree angle. The sharing of electrons between oxygen and hydrogen atoms are not equal. Oxygen atom is more electronegative than hydrogen atom. It will attract the shared electrons. Therefore, oxygen atom will be slightly negative charge, whereas the hydrogen atom will be slightly positive charge. Water molecule is a polar molecule due to its unequal charge distribution within its molecule. Slightly positive charge hydrogen atom of one water molecule is attracted to the slightly negative charge oxygen atom of nearby water molecules. Water molecules are held together by hydrogen bond. The dotted line here represents the hydrogen bond. The hydrogen bond is weaker than the covalent bond and ionic bond, but stronger than the van der Waals interaction.
2 hydrogen atoms share their electrons with an unshared pair of electrons of an oxygen atom to form the water molecule. The oxygen nucleus has a stronger attraction for the shared electrons than the hydrogen, and the positively charged hydrogen nuclei are left with an unequal share of electrons, creating a partial positive charge on each hydrogen and a partial negative charge on the oxygen. The bond angle between the hydrogens and the oxygen is 104.5 degrees, making the molecule electrically asymmetric and producing an electric dipole.
One water molecule can form maximum of 4 hydrogen bonds with 4 water molecules. Next, the properties of water. There are 6 properties of water. The first one, universal solvent due to its polarity. Second, high specific heat capacity. Third, high latent heat of vaporization. Fourth, high surface tension. Fifth, maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. And sixth, low viscosity.
Salts, such as sodium chloride, NaCl for example, in which the crystal lattice is held together by the attraction of positive and negative groups, dissolve in water because the electrostatic forces in the crystal can be overcome by the attraction of the charges to the electric dipole of water. Substances that dissociate in water into a cation, a positively charged ion, and an anion, a negatively charged ion, are classified as electrolytes. The presence of these charged ions in water facilitates the conduction of an electrical current through an aqueous solution.
Water has an unusually high specific heat capacity. When water is heated, much of the heat energy is used to break the hydrogen bonds between the molecules. This does not happen when water is in the solid or gaseous phases. This requirement for extra energy means that the specific heat capacity of water is greater in the liquid phase than in the solid or gaseous phases. The existence of this large specific heat capacity offers strong support for the extensive nature of the hydrogen-bonded network of liquid water. In practical terms, it means that more heat is required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius than any other liquid.
Nearly all liquids increase their volume when they are heated up, but water is an exception. As the temperature increases from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of water decreases. At 4 degrees Celsius, water enters into a state in which it has minimal volume and maximal density.
For further reading, these are the reference books. After the video ends, don't forget to answer the short question given and submit your answer. Your submission is compulsory because it considered as your attendance.